So we've got everything in here, so house in a box.
The whole house is in here?
The whole house. We've got the frames, the trusses, the roof, the gutters, the downpipes.
Even the kitchen sink?
Even the kitchen sink, yes.
This is Imagine Kit Homes, where John now works. As the name suggests, whole homes are packaged into a kit, a flat pack for buyers to assemble following instructions.
It's not just a bunch of materials that's getting delivered, it's the guidance and support and the system of how to build a house.
Based in Logan, Queensland, Imagine Designs then sends kits all over the country and overseas too. Part of a growing trend as more buyers favour the modern form of construction. Projects can be budget or bespoke, like Shane Wynhoven's house on the Gold Coast.
My wife and I always had an appetite to do a knockdown or a rebuild rather than renovations, so we actually came across Kit Homes as a solution for that. The price was one of the attractive bits, and also that we could spend our time and put our time into it as well, and see what we can come up with.
The couple with corporate backgrounds completed the build in just 6.5 months.
The way they broke it down for us actually made it quite achievable. There's some real stages that are incredibly satisfying, like once you put a frame up and realise the sheer capacity of what you're building.
It was to be their family home, but they sold when offered more than double what they'd put into it. Now they're starting the process again.
So if you look at that size there, that's the same size as our previous build, and we've got an extra 5 metres, so we're effectively putting another wing on. Some people say that building a house is one of the most challenging times. We actually found it one of our most rewarding.